In a beautiful place by the sea, called Accra, lived the Ga people. They were strong, happy people who loved family. They listened to their elders and honored their past. They worked, they cooked, and they shared everything. But long ago, something very hard happened.
There was no food. Hunger was everywhere.
The people felt weak and afraid. They prayed and hoped for better days. Then one day, the rain came. The land began to live again.
Food started to grow.
The people were happy again. They gathered their food with joy. They decided to celebrate forever.
They called it Homowo. Before Homowo, there is silence.
No loud noise is allowed.
It is time for peace. They respect the land. They wait patiently. Now they prepare a special food. It is called kwekpele. Everyone helps. It is made from corn. It smells so good. Food brings them together.
They prepare to share. Sharing is love. They remember their ancestors.
They offer food with respect. They say thank you. They feel blessed. They learn their culture. The past is never forgotten. Now, the real celebration begins. Drums fill the air.
Feet move fast and free.
Colors shine everywhere. Even children join in.
Boom! They make joyful noise.
They laugh and celebrate. Hunger is gone. They are strong together.
And this is Homowo.
families come together. They learn to be thankful. They remember their story.
They never forget the past.
And every year they celebrate this Homowo Festival.